I'm an addict for Snickers.
Funko Pop addicts! Ow! We got the Vynl Funko Tony the Tiger and Dig'em Frog Target exclusive. Definitely a cool looking box right off the bat. I love how you can see the frosted flakes on one side, and then you can see the honey smacks on the other side with the branding. There's a look at the back of the box right there. And this retailed for, I think, $13.99. Not bad for the price on these vinyls. Hit that thumbs up button right now if you want these out of the box. And I got you. Let's do this. Bam. Alright, so here they are out of the box. I gotta say, vinyls are pretty cool. These are the first vinyls I've ever owned. And they're pretty damn cool. They're bigger than your average Funko too. There's a look at DMC. That's the first Funko Pop I ever got, by the way. I think it's worth a pretty penny too, over $100, which is pretty crazy. And I really would love Run, but I just never was able to buy Run. And I'm not spending over $200 for Run because new in the box is like $200 for each of them. So DMC, you'll be by your lonesome for now. Now getting back to these right here. I do like them, man. I kind of think vinyls are pretty cool. I know that they're not as hype, but they are kind of cool. And hopefully I don't get sucked into this now right here because I kind of enjoy them. And they're cheaper too. I think they are cheaper and they're bigger, which is gotta have you scratching your head a little bit, right? Love the details. Let's turn them to their sides. There you go. There's a side profile. There's a look at their back. The paint looks great. And there's a look at their other side. And one more close-up look at both of their faces. I like vinyls. Let me know how you feel about these vinyls versus Funko Pop. I'd love to know. So leave that in the comment box below. And I'll try to put information in the description box below if I find any info on getting these online. I know it's kind of tricky with buying Funko on Target's website, but I definitely suggest hitting your local Targets today because they're probably there. If you don't see them, go to the electronics like desk area where the cameras are usually and ask them because sometimes they keep them behind the desk. Alright, just a tip out there. And there you go, I gave you that detailed look at the Dig'em Frog and Tony the Tiger 2-pack. I don't really collect vinyl, but you know, I really had to sucker in and get it because I'm a little salty that I wasn't able to get Tony the Tiger, and I'm not going to spend that money that the resellers are asking for when it comes down to the Funko Pop of Tony the Tiger. I do have the Dig'em Frog right there. Check out both of them. Really awesome. So, you know, I wanted to get Tony the Tiger, so I got Tony the Tiger. This will do. I'm hoping that I don't start buying a whole bunch of vinyls because I actually really like them too. But we'll see. You know, I do have to slim down my collection because I'm running out of room on this wall right here. And I want to keep it to like this wall, and I have more than just this wall. So I'm definitely looking to get rid of some of my collection. Some of my Stranger Things Funko Pops, some of my Star Wars Funko Pops, some of my Marvel Funko. So if you're looking to trade or buy, I'm not going to hit you over the head with some crazy resale price. Hit me up over at Delz Toy Show. Let me know what you're into. And if you're looking for trade, let me know what you have for trade. If you're just looking to buy, hit me up too. I like doing trades, but as I said, I just have too many pops right now, and there's some more that I want to get, so I need to try to slim it down a little bit so I can get some other stuff and just be a little more selective. And that's just how it goes down, man. When I first started collecting, I was just buying so much stuff. Oh, this Star Wars. Oh, this Stranger Things. Oh, this Marvel. I just was so excited to start collecting these things, so I was having fun. And it just got out of hand, and that's just what happens when collecting these. I think a lot of people will agree with me, but there's definitely people that want massive collections or just starting off and weren't able to get, you know, some of the stuff that released a couple of years ago. So definitely hit me up, let me know what genres and what kind of pops you're into over at Delz, D-E-L-Z Toy Show on Instagram. I did do an unboxing review on Seymour, and I also did her, and I did the dentist right there. I did Aubrey and the dentist. So if you want to see out of the box reviews, definitely watch yesterday's video. It was an awesome one. I take him out of the box, of course. And then the other day, I did do an unboxing review on Prince. And when I mean unboxing, I mean taking Prince out of the box and giving you a detailed look. Check out those shoes, man. All glittered out. Looks crazy. So watch those videos if you're new. Definitely subscribe. I try to hit you guys with videos almost daily. Most of the time it's Funko Pop collecting videos, hunting, reviewing. Sometimes it is other content like interviews with pop culture. If you love pop culture, this channel is something you need to subscribe to. Let me know what you're looking for. Maybe I can help you out. And what I'm looking for right now, I am looking for the Audrey 2 Chase. The Audrey 2 Chase. I am also looking for the Ant-Man Chase. I'm looking for the Andre the Giant Funko Pop. And I'm looking for the Ric Flair Target exclusive. Those are some that I'm looking for. Plus, if anyone has the Tony the Tiger and wants to like work something out with me, like trade-wise, I'm definitely not going to be able to spend the money for the Tony the Tiger because I know its value. But if you have any of the other Funko ad icons besides the Target exclusives, hit me up because I'm trying to collect more of those. But as I said, I really don't want to spend the resale price, and that's just how it goes down with me. I'm not doing it. But those are some of the Funko Pops I'm looking for. Plus the metallic Thanos. I really want the metallic Thanos. And let me know once again what you're looking for. I will link in the description box below tons of Funko that's available now for pre-order. You're available to get, some are available where you have a 1 in 6 chance again the chases. There's also a Ric Flair edition of the WWE 2K19. It's a pack where you get the video game, where you can get a plaque that has a piece of Ric Flair's robe, and it comes with the limited edition Funko Pop with the game, of course, and it's pretty dope. I'm thinking about getting it, but it's a little expensive. It's over $100, but I think all in all, when you add everything up, it's kind of worth it. I will link that in the description box below. Let me know if you're thinking about picking that up. Plus, there are Wu-Tang Clan Funko Pops rumored to be releasing. That is going to be insane. It's not all the members, but it's most of them. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. Let me know what pops you're looking forward to releasing this year, next year. I mean, we're coming to September. Before you know it, man, it's going to be December. Then before you know it's New Year's, you know. It's craziness how time is flying. But I'm just rambling. I hope you guys had fun watching this. If you're just hanging out, check out yesterday's video, the day before's video. And if you like these kind of discussions too, I have a Patreon, patreon.com/DJ Delz. You get entered into a monthly giveaway. Plus, we do an hour podcast with Q&A. It's tons of fun. Definitely give it a shot. Link will be in the description box below. And happy hunting out there, man. Good luck getting what you're looking for, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll catch you guys maybe tomorrow. Actually, I'm definitely going to be doing a video tomorrow because I just got a package from Entertainment Earth. I finally got Bob's Big Boy right here. This is historic. This is a piece of history when it comes to Funko. So I had to have this for my collection. Definitely a piece that I really, really wanted for the collection. So I'm very happy to have it. And I will do a review on this one tomorrow. Plus, I think that I will be getting another Funko Pop tomorrow in the mail. And I'm excited to finally own it because I've been wanting it for a while. So we'll see if that goes down. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I had fun shooting it. And man, I'm just looking at this pop one more time, man. I love this pop. I feel like this is a must-have. Must-have, that one right there. Seen more with Audrey 2, the baby Audrey 2. Link in the description box below. Guaranteed mint condition. I definitely, once again, suggest go in the description box below. Pick this up. And this one right here is great for the collection too. And it looks fantastic. It looks awesome. Let me know if you've seen that Funko movie that is on Netflix too. Curious to hear your opinions on it, if you've seen it or not. With that said, we out of here. So happy he's back.
DJ Delz. DJ Delz.
And your Benjamin. Prepare the battlefield. That's right. Delete.
DJ Delz.
Senor Benjamin, where's Vanguard 1?
He's up there watching all this. He is always surveilled.
Oh, surveillance? For security, right? Security purposes? Thank God. Thank God for him. I prayed for him when he was hurt. I prayed every night.
He was drinking too much.
I know. Oh, yeah? What were you drinking? Tequila?
Oh, that's DJ Delz. Absolutely wonderful.
Senor Benjamin.
Very good. Beautiful.